Alrighty. Let's go for this again. Do I still have the datasheet open? Did I really close that? Why did I do that? That's not good. It can't open it. Huh. Why? Okie dokie. Aha. What? So I can't find it. Okay, I'm gonna need to look for that for a second. Sorry about this. Steam apps, comment, into here, content. Did you expect me to save it? Oh no, there it is. Hey, there we go. Got it. Sick. Okay. Alright, let's continue. Alright. Hope y'all are sitting down right now, because this is going to be big. How big, you ask? Well, you might just be talking to the guy who negotiated a deal to make all of the light up color changing vapes that Cool Dad is going to give away on this year's global tour. Dang! Am I right? This is a huge deal for us. Literally millions of these things are going to be given away. It's rather straightforward. We get color values in, then we can draw some LEDs to get the shade we want. I put a bunch of extra LEDs in a prototyping bin too, since those should be fun to play with. No tip for you. See the little triangle at the beginning of an XBus data packet? That's when all of the values in that packet are coming in. It's not like a 1 per time unit, yeah? Shame to call that it's actual music, if you can call it that. This sounds like 2008 era dubstep crossed with parliamentary debate. If Parliament were populated entirely by screaming macaws. I have no idea why he's famous. My girlfriend Jamie is a fan. Some of it's quite danceable. Poor guy. Alright, what are we getting in? What are you? What on earth are you? Okay, like I said, placing things, man. not so good. Dunk, 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 dunk. Okie dokie. Equal x0 x0 minus 999. Oh no. How does this? mov x0 ac equal ac minus 989 minus and we want to push it to x1. There's 4. Why are there? How are there 4? How? What? What do you mean there are 4? Why are there 4 numbers? Huh. Okay. It's a little bit more complicated than anticipated. That should be fine. Okay, mov ac x3 minus mov x0 x2 mov x0 x1. So that's getting all the color data in the right places. Now we just need to get the duration data. So we go mov x0 ac, and then we want to give that to all 3 of these. Oh yeah, no, it's just straight. Okay, yeah, cool. And then we sleep 1. Huh. We're gonna have a bit of a problem in that. Are these just gonna perma wait for things? I have a solution to that, but we'll try this out first. What? Oh, for goodness sakes. Okay, there we go. Mov. No. Got interrupts, so I can't just sleep either. This is complicated. Huh. How do we do this? Hmm. I'm just sort of considering how exactly I can kind of approach, because I kind of need this to count down passively. Sorry, actively rather than passively. I can't just put it to sleep, because if I put it to sleep, this first instruction is just going to kill it, because we need to be able to interrupt, right? The issue therein is that I don't know how we're going to be able to shut it off automatically. Okay, I think I've got an idea. Able to send a signal to it, right? This is really jank, but if we do this, we can actually perform calculations easier. Sub 1. Equal 0. We can then give these a signal, right? Let's say minus 10, because that's never going to pop up. What? Oh, right, yeah. What am I doing? 3. Seems to be that. Data. This line should really be here, shouldn't it? Where's it got on? What? No! Ah, bloody hell. Mov x0 dat. So it's our input. So we don't want x0, we want minus 10. Yeah, minus 10 was our signal. Okay. We don't want to store, so mov x0 ac. No. Yes. Yes. That way around. God. For some reason that just doesn't play well with my brain. So mov x0 ac. Check if it's equal to is equal to minus 10, and if it is mov p1 0. Yes, 0 p1, so that turns it off. Okay. That's fine. That's just done. So then we can go tech, ac. Oh shit. No, it's not done. We need to do minus tech, ac. Because we're going to be trying to get it in and input every single second. We always need to be giving an output. And we always need to be giving only one output. So the way this is going to work is this is going to cut out from here. It's going to go up here. And we also need this to go up here as well, obviously, because we need to be able to check the data. It's gonna work. Let's see. My concern is that it's going to require that this plus be above this minus section, which wouldn't be unreasonable for it to do. And then below, oh no, shit. Yes. Yes. So then below this we can do plus, and then mov. Wait. No, it's only if it's true. Fucking A. Wait, what? What am I doing? This should be a plus. This should always have been a plus. And then this should be a minus. And then mov. Minus 999. Oh shit, no, it needs to go to all three. Oh, we don't have space. Okay, I'll tell you what we can do. We gotta be super fucking sneaky here. Right. God, I can't, like, the lack of bracketing is screwing with me right now. When do we do that? All right, that's our destination, yeah. We're out of space. This is really fucking hard. So, okay, let's talk through the problem. The problem is basically that I want it to be able to send minus 999 if it's got nothing else to send. The issue is we're now like out of space. We don't have enough space to do that. So and the reason this is an issue is that my current thought about how to fix that is to store either minus 10 or minus 199 in the data, because we don't need the data anymore. That's a temporary thing. And then just like have a line where we move data to all the different things, right? The issue with that is that that makes the conditionals really complicated. Because we need that to happen in a certain order and we only want to send things once. The issue is if we just like do the conditions here to create that, to put the data in depending on whether it's found or not, whether it's got something to send or not, then we have the moving outside the conditionals, outside any conditionals. The problem with that is that if we then actually are sending data from this conditional, we send data twice, right? On each of the lines. We don't want to do that. We desperately don't want to do that because that really fucks with them. Because that'll break the program, right? It can't handle that. So how do we do this? I need to completely refactor the way these conditionals work. Okay, cool. Right. So we have 3 conditions. 3 cons. One is that countdown is 0. 2. Don't know. 2 is that we are being sent data. 3 is that we have... What? No, we've only got these 2 conditions. But we have 3 conditions that we can... We have those 2 conditionals. We have 3 conditions. Nothing. Nil. Nada. So these 2 are kind of congruent. In that we can kind of reach them with the same method. Is there a line to restart it? Is there a line to like just hard go to the top of the code? Wait a second to go to the top of the code? Sleep X. What is that? What is this sleep X line? Sleep until data is to be read. Okay. No. Oh, okay. So we don't need to do this. That's fine. So first we have sleep x x0. And then if it's -10, we do this. Otherwise, mov at p1. And that should work. Okay, let's give this a shot. So subs 1. Mobs the data. That's just if it's 999. It is, so test if that's equals. Not, so we just go to sleep. What? Oh, bloody. What is it? SLX. Ugh. My bad, my bad. Oh my goodness. Okay. So, does it then read it? Don't tell me it then reads it. Oh no, it doesn't. Okay. Wait. Wait, it's sensor. Okay, sorry. I need to go through step by step. Okay, this moves happen. So it gets data. So it moves that. So, yes. Okay, so when it. Wait, what? Oh, yeah, so it's moved the data now. So it goes to the equals. It's like, okay, yes, we are getting things. So it moves that data to x3, which is this one. So that's given a value of 0. Moves that to the Excel. Does it need that line? Whatever. Oh yeah, because that data's now gone. Yeah, okay. And then it goes, yeah, I'm just going to power that then. I wonder how much stuff I could have simplified by doing this. Hey! Oh my goodness. Wow, I was being more complicated than I needed to be. Might have noticed that's a little habit. That's a little habit I have. Pretty bad. Oh, what? How do you get that to happen? I don't understand. I'm probably missing something like really, really obvious. Really, really obvious. Greetings all. With every project we take, there are factors we can control and factors we cannot. We could not control the fact that Cool Dad was arrested and jailed for possession of amphetamines as he was attempted to enter Japan, thus cancelling the world tour. However, there was something under our control, and that was the terms of the deal. We could have negotiated a better contract that would have allowed us some recourse if something like this happened, instead of leaving us on the hook with 100,000 useless colour-changing light-up vapes for us to dump at debasement prices just to get rid of. Fucking Cool Dad. Goddamn, terrible role model, man. Poseidon 779, a decentralized autonomous corporation, has determined that thorium mining operations can be optimized by as much as 2.7% by creating a device with certain specifications. The specifications are included in this communique. Please create 50 of these devices and ship 100 to 101 Shibajahu? That's the best you're gonna get from me. Road. Shaibak. No, I'm gonna just skip over the. I'm sorry. Payment will be forwarded upon verification of completed work. What is this? A decentralized autonomous corporation is a company run without any human involvement. It has money and investors, but it makes decisions for itself on what to do with that money, using information from multiple lower-level monitoring and analysis programs. Some of my classmates were studying them when I was at Princeton, but lately the hype has died down somewhat. I guess there's still some operating now, maybe even doing well. Why don't we do the job for it and see what happens? Made a copy of the inspections and it's sent. It is on your desk. Okie dokie. X and Y. Power is simple. Jesus Christ. Okay. Unknown devices. Ooh, that's not creepy. Map the X coordinates as specified by Poseidon 779's geometric specifications and the supplemental data. So that's just, I'm sorry, that's just going to be on the PDF. Where is it? Oh, it's a mathematical code processor. Huh, that's really cool, actually. Mental post data, thorium mining. Okay. Oh goodness. Okay. Wow. This is so. There's just. It's basically got a picture of different zones, on a 2D plane, and it wants you to output based on the 2D plane. So like X is less than 20, it wants 30. And X is a specific spot. Looks like, yeah. Oh boy. A device that maps given coordinates. Okay. This is really not very easy. I'm going to try and make notes of what this is on the screen so you guys can see that. Okay, so we have X less than 20 is 30. X less than 40 is 0. You might notice the 0 thing zone's connected in a little bit, but don't worry too much about that. This is going to be like in order of these happening. So if it doesn't meet this one, it needs to meet this one. If it doesn't meet that one, it, yeah, because that's actually the easiest way for my brain to think about this. Yeah, so we've already eliminated this. So we need to eliminate this section. What? Oh, I see, yes. So X greater than 80. We have, was that was 30 again. Okay, 30. Now we're left with a really awkward middle bit, so we want Y 40 Y less than 80. So that would be an and. X to then greater than 60. Then we get that one's 80. And then the equivalent thing just below that get 50. And then if neither of these are the case, we want reverse for this one. It's less than 50. Neither of these are the case. X greater than 60. Implies that it's if these two aren't the case, x greater than 60 implies that it's 30, and x less than 60 implies that it's 0. Yeah, so in the picture, like this 0 here and this 0 here are connected, and this 30 and this 30 are connected, but you have this little weird box that's in the middle, and it's kind of like really weird. Okay, so these are power. Okay, and they're gonna be, oh yes, they're gonna be giving us ranged inputs, aren't they? Gotcha. Continuously varying things. Right, so I think we want to process y independently and produce something with that y. I don't quite know what I want to produce yet, though. Yeah, I think we kind of just produce whether it would be in this box. Yes. Because that makes our lives very simpler. If we just make this bit a little black box unit, then we can just say if that thing is true. Yeah, okay. So I just want a true false pit, basically. Cool. So we'll go test greater than P0 40, test less than P0 80, dunk. Okay, so we need to go mov 0 ack. So we're just doing a little bit of storage, and then we can conditionally change that. So we go mov 1 ack, and then we finally do mov x1 ack, x1. Yes, okay, so we set it to 0, and then we check the condition. If it's true, we set it to 1, and then regardless, we send whatever's in there to this state. So yeah, we don't have to do any complicated, ooh, check if it's multiple reading, check if the conditions are being weird, blah, 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 whatever, who cares? Not interesting. Dunk, dunk. And then we can play with that as we will, so that's just a true-false statement based on this. Okay. Let's get this into here, bridge over, bonk, bonk. So we have both our bits of data, we have just the raw x values, and we want the raw y value. Yeah, so we've got the raw x values and they're already sorted y values, so we need to be a little more subtle with our x values. So first thing to do is mov dat mov 0, mov default to 0, that's fine. No, let's default to, we'll default to 30. Yeah, okay. 30 ack, and then we can do this, which is fun. It doesn't matter. Test greater than P0 30? 20. Test if it's greater than 20. If it is, we can do things. We can continue our journey of tests. And then we go test less than P0 40, and then this goes to move 0 dat, Then we go to minus tests. Oh, minus tests. Then 80. P0 greater than 80, and we can do nothing if that's the case. So we just want a minus here. So we do test equal to, and then we do x1 1. So that's if we're in our little y box here, this little one here, and if that's true, we already know that this is less than 80 by virtue of this. So we can just do test greater than P0 60 if it's true. I hope this works, because if not, this is going to be a nightmare to uncurl. Mol 50? If it's greater than 60. No, we want 80. Mol 80, that. Bonk. And then we do minus. Oh shit. Huh. It should be okay. Shit. Shit. I know how I'm gonna do these two. This last one. Fuck. 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 Maybe we could we do? Could I be more clever about this? I could be more clever about this. Okay. Right, yes. Right, yes, so this can just go. That's fine. Oh my god, I was being so stupid. Okay, so instead of actually like applying these conditions, the thing we spot is that actually if you take these vertical zones bound out by these 0s and 30s, these zones in here are just that plus 50. So we can take the ACK and we use this to decide what horizontal zone it's in, and that's fine because that should be okay. Yes, so that should be okay. And then we just at the end we check if the y is true and then add 1. Yes, it is. Yes. Okay, we check if this is 1 and then this output is 1 and then add 1 to it. Yes. Okay, good. Whew, okay. 1. I forgot. I was looking at it, so I realized. So if it's greater than, we don't care about 80 anymore. We care about 60. 60, and then we, if that is, so if it is now greater than 60, we add mov 30. Move 0 ACK of 0 ACK. And then we test if equal to, and then x1 is add 1, and if it is, add 50, and then mov p1, no, mov ACK p1, yeah, that's fine, and then sleep 1. Okay. Dunk. Okay, let's give this a look. Step. So it's going to check. It's currently getting 30, so it is greater than 20. Then it checks if it's less than 40. It is, so it moves 0 into there. What? Huh? Huh? Actually, I mean, that's an independent condition, isn't it? Yes. Yes, that is an independent condition. So we can just do this, right? So it's in the 0 zone, it works that out. It checks that. It takes it to input. We're not in the Y zone, so we're okay. Then we go to sleep. Why did you start? Oh, oh shit. No, that's not completely independent. It has to be in a certain X zone as well, doesn't it? Yeah, that's fine. We can do that. Oh, it kind of sucks, but it's fine. Test greater than. There's a better way to do this. I can feel it from this now. Test less than P0 80. Yeah, I can feel it in my bones now from having to do this independently of. I mean, I guess. Yeah, I feel like there's just a better way to organize these such that we end up with a much nicer version of this. But we'll give this a shot. Step, 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 step. I stepped up too high. 59, 58. 59, 58. Is it going to step down to the right level? Nope. What? What? What is it doing? Okay. Okay. So step through this. Okay. So we start here. We set to 30. Okay. Target. So it checks if P0, its input X, is greater than 38. Greater than 20. It is. It's 38. So now it checks if it's less than 40. It is. Why? Why didn't? What? Oh, it's 45 right now. Okay, yeah, so that's fine. So it checks it. It's less than 40. It isn't. So we go on. Checks if it's greater than 60. It isn't. Checks if this is equal to 1. It is equal to 1. So it checks if this is greater than 40. It is greater than 40. It is less than 80, so it adds 50. Did I write out my conditions incorrectly? There's a condition in here that's wrong. Let's refactor this. It should actually be easier to default to 30 and then check if it shouldn't be 30. So we get rid of this entirely. Dunk. So we want to check if it now should be 30. Yes. So tick less than. I'm not going to try and fix that because it was actually bad. B0 20. 20. Yes. And then if that is the case, we mov 30 ac. Okay, and if it is greater than 60. Okay. And we also mov 30 ac. Okay. That's fine. Yeah, that's okay. That's way better. What was I even doing? I had a nasty case of overcomplication there. Oh, what? That's an edge case error. Damn it. I need to change one of my numbers somewhere. Which one is it? 60. What? Why did it drop down to 50? What? Oh, it's exactly 60. Oh, it checks if it's okay. Yeah. Right. So the game could, yes, okay, so we need to check if it's greater than 59. That's fine. Do we need to change this to less than 21 is the question. No, it says x is less than 20, so that's okay. It's greater than equal to 60. Yes, so we need less than 61. So we need this bit, we need greater than 40. So we actually need 39 here. Check less than 80. Yep, that's fine. Greater than or equal to 40. So we need 39 here. And less than 80, so yeah, that's fine. Okie dokie. Alright, edge case fixed. Good. Whew. Yeah, that's... okay, that was pretty cool. That's actually not bad. It's not great, but it's not bad. Like, Jesus Christ, man. People are nuts. People are nuts. Task verified, complete. Payment en route. What a future we live in, eh? That was cool! So I was chatting with a mate in the pub. It comes to light that those Schenzen microcontrollers that we use everywhere have a secret instruction that isn't in any of the documentation. It takes the form of gen p r/i r/i, and it conveniently generates a pulse on any simple I/O pin. The pulse switches on 100, then off 0 for as many time units as you want using the last two operands. Gen xpy is equivalent to mov p 100p sleep x, mov 0p sleep y. Bloody hell, I could have been using this all along and saved so many instructions. Jay, did you know about this? Yes, actually it is in the documentation. The Chinese version. Just like the add conditional. The what? Seems like many instructions are not translated yet. Putting an add symbol at the beginning of an instruction causes it to execute only once. How have you been initializing codes? Yeah, okay, I'll see how it is. Wow! That's how some people were doing things like this, because I recall... yeah! Oh, that one's a different one. Yeah. What was I doing with this? Huh. What's a good example of one? Yeah. Here, look over there. Because this is too. Yeah, look at. Oh my god. So rude. So rude. No, that's not right. Yeah, there we go. There we go. To my fellow expats, have you gone to a Three Kingdoms land yet? I just went to the one in Shenzhen. The recreations agents of ancient China society said they are extremely fascinating. We were getting old metal coins that you have to use to buy things with, as if you were really in the past. I watched the reenactors take my coins and then count them by hand. Isn't that bizarre? I thought they would use coin machines to count the money faster, so I negotiated a deal with them to build some here. Wouldn't a coin machine be a little out of place at a theme park that's supposed to be a historical recreation? Carl, I've already spoken to them about the look. The machine will have a beautiful carved faceplate design with dragons and heavenly mountains and all that stuff. It won't look out of place at all. The machine just has to know when you put the right coin total in. Such as the price of one something. It rings a bell to let the person behind the counter know when to hand you your item. Then it makes the change in real physical coins. It's really like bygone times. Ah, a disgusting bygone era. Physical money. Okay, so we have a variable price. We have an in 1, in 2, in 12. And these display. Okay, so we're definitely going to need one of these. And I want to be able to give it a total already. A total number of Sorry, I was actually having a little bit of fun with that. I was kind of just doing it to fidget, but then I actually started enjoying myself. Okay. Ba-ba-ba. This is very wasteful, but I think it's okay. Let's use this connected. Goes to here. Because we can actually output the numbers, so we just drag this, and then this. Let's compress that a little bit, so we get that. That's fine. There we go. Okay. And that's going to be able to give these power. Oh, actually, do we need to? Yes, because we want this to go to here. So yeah, we do need these. Cool. Well, we only need one of them. We'll see how much space we got on this after we finished writing the input part of it, because that should be actually pretty okay. So tech P00, if not true, We push it. We push a number to x1. And the number we push is... What number do we push? We push 1 to it. Yes, 1. So mov 1 x1. And then sleep 1. Okay, and then we've got equivalent code for all here. What? There we go. And the only difference being that's 12. Okay, 12. Cool. 12. Imagine not having it decimalized currency. NML. Shillings. You know, everyone's got their history. Do we want to count down or up? Let's count up. And we'll store it in the ACK. Yes. Okay, cool. So sleep x x1, and then we have mov x1 dat. Yep. So that's our input. We grab our input, and then what do we do with it? We add dat. We don't need to grab it, do we? No, we don't. We can just add it straight away. Add x1. Then check greater than. Oh fuck. Shit. If we counted down, would that be better? So if we have an initialization line here, that does mov x0 ACK, and then we'll do sub x1. And we do target less than 1. Yeah, okay. Target ACK less than 1. Yeah, so that would be 0 or lower. Shit, now we have a problem. Which is that our value over is a negative number at the moment. How do we solve that? Okay. The way we solve it is we count down, but we count down backwards. So we start with minus 16 and then we count down backwards from minus 16. So to do that, we sub x0. Yep. And then we check if it's greater than minus 1. Yes, that is our equivalent. Okay. And now we have our things are working code. Oh, what was it? I need to pop out for a second. I need this bit. Gen P I. So it's Gen P. Huh. I just kind of want this bit of it. How does that? One? Gen P1. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 4 and 0. Hopefully that works. And then continuing on. So if we, so if we're still below, loop. Take less than, no. Yes, check greater than 4. And if it is sub 5, mov 1x3. If it isn't, then we can just jump loop and then target less than greater than 1 sub 1. Ugh, what a nightmare. I need too much code. Okay, that's fine. Because we can just pass it to both these two and they can work it out independently. Plus oh, we're gonna have looping code. That's super weird. We need to push it to both keys. Mov excess. Do you have the courtesy of, we'll have the courtesy of checking that it's not equal to 0 first. Check equal to ACK 0. No. Oh, because we're on positive. And we want to continue in positive. We have comp, right? Not return 1 only if it's less than or equal to, right? Where's the... I need to see the thing of this. There it is, found it. Whoa, I just got dizzy. Whoa, okay. Speed, compare the value of the first one to the second one. Oh yeah, this is just eliminating it. Okay, yeah, gotcha. So yeah, we do need it's fine. It should if I write it right, it should be able to handle that just fine without me bothering to do anything at all, actually. So that should be okay. So yeah, we just mov x3 and then mov ac x2. Nice. And then mov 0 ac. And then we sub x0. And then we wait again. Okay, cool, yeah. So we have the same line here, except with x0 this time. Because we'll just put them in both right while I've got it copied. Okay. Right. Mov x0 ac. I could have another one of these, actually. That might be better. I'll make that decision in a second. I'll see how well I can do with this. Yeah, actually might be a lot better. Yeah, it gives me the space I need. Actually, I'm gonna do that instead, yeah. Dunk, dunk. Yeah, so we don't need this at all, because we're just gonna pass it once. And then if we get this far back, which I don't like, but hey, there we go. You can do these two connections and it's good. Okay, and then we do this connection here. Cool, okay. Yeah, this is better. All right, so we just push it out that pin. And then we get it in here. So this sleep X for it's X0 pin. X0 mov x0 ac, right? Yes. So we get our x0 value, move it to the accumulator. I think that's what it is. I'm not sure, to be honest with you. Alright. So moving it to the accumulator, what exactly do we do? So we kind of want to loop. I'm just trying to think how to solve this problem. Oh, of course. Yeah, this can just be hanging, like, of course. So yeah, we have loop. And then we have top greater than it's going to give us the positive, yeah, so greater than 4 boo ac 4 and when this is true we do sub 5 yes, we only want it for 1. We want it to sleep for 1. And then we want it to jump to loop. Okay. And then because we're now in a different environment, so when it's greater than 0, we want it to plus sub 1. So the reason we don't have to use a minus here, by the way, and the reason we can do this sort of nested condition even when we're trying to do weirder conditions is that is because this jump executes and we go back to the loop. We're out of our condition, so we can actually just be fine in this environment here. Gen P0, 1, 1. And then we jump, loop, and then we're done. Do we need to jump into the loop, or are we okay just like going there? I feel like we're okay just going there, right? I think that's how that would work. I'm not actually sure. Alright, let's give this a shot. I should have tested some of this before. I don't know why I didn't do unit. I'm so terrible at unit tests. Ah! Okay, so this is when we get our first input. That one's checking. So we get a 12. So this goes subs 12. Oh, fuck. Add. Yes, adding is how you count backwards. Come on. Wait, what? Wait, what? Okay. Uh-huh. Yep. Don't know why I was really stupid and thought, oh yeah, that's fine. That doesn't need to go in there. What? Okay. Dink. What? Why did that not output? Greater than. It's greater than 1. Minus 1. Okay, so it generates the pulse. Yeah. Oh, fuck, it's sleeping. Right, yeah, so. All this should happen before this. I mean, possibly we also just send a signal to a little thing like this, and we could just have that hang, and that's fine. Okay. It's generating this, jumps to the loop, dunk. It checks if it's greater than 0, which it is. It's 3, subs 1, does the thing, jumps to the loop. If it's greater than 0, it is, does the thing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. It's so good. That feels so good. Wow. I'm getting like dizzy at the moment. I don't know what's going on right now. It's really weird. I'm talking too much. Oh. It's a small start, but like us, 3 kingdoms land has expansion in mind, as it is said. Thank you so much for your ancient wisdom, David. You're welcome. Okay, remember when I said I only had one thing to complain about Westerners living here? Well, I have another one, so sorry. But here I go. It's about cheese. That's right. Talking non-stop about your precious, precious cheeses and how they don't exist here. Definitely not in the quantity, quality and variety they do in France or Wisconsin or whatever. Well, it might be hard to wrap your head around the fact that an entire civilization and one of the top culinary traditions in the world was developed entirely without curdled milk solid. But it's true, it happened. Which is not to say I don't like cheese myself. I do! Late at night, you might even find me at that McDonald's on Schenzen Road eating cheeseburgers like the gluttonous young modern global citizen that I am. I'm just saying there's plenty of good and legitimate food that exists without cheese. And it's not like you're going to die for lack of it. Anyway, When you take a picture, don't say cheese in China. Because why would we say that? You say eggplant. You heard me. Quincy. Say it. It kind of sounds like cheese. Maybe. Yours, Tilly. Yeah, that's a weird thing. Like, the whole of... It's weird to Europeans and Americans because they're derivatives of Europeans, genetically speaking. That... Most, like, it's not actually natural. Lactose consumption isn't a natural thing that we're just able to do. It's really strange when you approach that from a Western point of view, because it's like, what? But because so much of our stuff is so based around it now. Yeah, but that pops up a lot actually. That foods that you associate so much. Well, that's not actually true. No, I'm talking rubbish right now. I'm talking about something unrelated. Oh well. Let's continue. Yo, dogs, I was out drinking last night and realized, you know what Americans love? Sandwiches. Am I right? Americans can't get enough sandwiches. I sketched out a quick dime for a patriotic sandwich machine where you put in white bread, bologna, and mustard, and it could play a song when it finishes. More details to come when I'm less hungover. Maybe. I have a keypad that will work for this, but it uses normal X bus, which will block until the key is pressed. You will figure it out. I will. I have now figured it out. Okay. Let's write on one of these until we know. Wait, what? Huh. Okay. I guess these exist. That's really cool, actually. The kind of calculation engines. That's really nice. Yeah, okay. Oh, not this one. This one. This is gonna get expensive very quickly, I feel. This is gonna be jank. I know it already. I can feel it in my bones. Alright. Seep x1. And we're gonna get 1 of 3. Sandwich time. Wait, what information do we get? 1, 3. So 1 is just making a normal sandwich. 3 is extra mustard. Okay. And then 1 of them is hold the cheese. Okay. Oh my god, but we've actually got to calculate 1 to bread. Oh my goodness. Okie dokie, we can do that. We only have 3 conditions, so it's actually kind of okay. We can kind of just actually condition it. So we have 1 additional condition and 1 sub-condition. How does it look compared to the actual numbers? So this is 3, well, how long do we wait between breads? Yeah, 3, 2, 1. So that's 4, no, 3, 2, 4, right? Yeah. It's awkward. The thing I really want to do is I want to control it all off of this. That would be easy. But we don't get to do that because we don't have enough pins. We can only do 2 pins with this. So we're going to have to... Well, oh, I still don't like using these. That will give us the remaining 3 pins though, so... I really don't like using them though. If I can possibly avoid it. The bread one's kind of the most complicated one. Oh god, this is gonna get bad. Okay, yes, we're gonna try and... I'm gonna need to try and use this, aren't I? Try and use it for the top three. There's a reason for that, give me a sec. Shit. We need to move all this configuration up. Oh boy. Okay, okay. I can just direct there, connectly, direct there, connectly. Direct there, connectly. Direct there, connectly. Wow. I am apparently far more tired than I thought I was. So that's been a bit of a day. Okay, cool. So that's everything connected. Let me test something. Gen X3. 1. What happens when we try? Why can't we run this? Okay. Mov 100x0. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Dunk goes here. 100. Brilliant. And it does... Oh, no, it's not going to switch off. So if we sleep this for 1 second. Sleeps and... Oh, we need to make this... yeah, we want to make this only the first timeline. Dunk. So then it just sleeps. And we're left with this outputting 100 forever. I mean, mov 0x0. And does this work? Yes, it does work. But oh my goodness. Is that going to be bad? Because that takes up 3 lines. Oh my goodness. No, I need to, yeah, I can't do this right now. I'm going to play a round of the solitaire game and then I'm going to head off because my brain is turned off right now, apparently. Okay, off to a good start, I guess. All right. I will confess, I haven't. If you saw my first PlayStation to this game, I haven't gotten any better at this, so don't expect a miracle from me. Doesn't really accomplish anything. Okay, that's fine. that's going to be really bad at some point. Black 4. What can we do with a black 4 and a green 5? More interestingly, we're kind of looking for a 6 somewhere. There's a 6 here. A black 6. Does that accomplish what we wanted to? No. A green 4 is good there. A green 4 and a black 6 are good there. Okay, so if we just do this, we can move this to here, and this to here, and this to here. Yeah, this to here. It's got to be. Then once we're here, we can do this, and then we can do this. Great. Now what? You didn't think that far ahead, did you? Fucking idiot. We can't press this button yet because we need this one active. And we can't bring either of these out. So I need to restart because I'm bad at this game. I wonder if it's actually making winnable boards, or if it's making random ones, because random ones are a lot easier. So Jesus Christ, that 5 is screwed. Okay, that's for good. Das was good, yeah. This goes over here. So we need to uncover all these before we can uncover these. Oh god. Well, we don't need to. We can get this one in here. Okay, yeah, that's reasonable. So we want a 9 available. To get a 9 available, we need a 6 available. To get a 6 available, we need something. There's 3 off here. To get this 3 off here, we can put you on here, and that's okay. I'm okay with doing that. So that makes that 6 available. We can put that on there rather nicely. We can put that away if we need to. I don't think we need to yet. Alright, go there. It just unlocks that symbol there, so we're good with not doing that. Can we move that and that off? No, we can't move that off at all. And we still don't have this unlocked, so it doesn't even matter. Shit. This to here. We can get this onto here, but then this is stuck. Damn it. Damn it. Because we need this off as well to move this over to here, then we can move this. Yeah, okay, so that's lost. I'm so hopelessly bad at these games, dude. They require so much more planning than I am capable of. Okay. Gotta do things you're bad at, otherwise you never do anything you're good at. Otherwise you never get anything to be good at. That's the... yeah. It's always fun when you try and do words of wisdom and then you fail at doing your words of wisdom, so you just end up looking like a fucking idiot. Okay. I have no idea how to... How do I even begin this one, dude? I feel like I need to unlock the ones, but what does that even accomplish? That doesn't accomplish anything. We're actually pretty close to putting those middle symbols away, actually, aren't we? Except the other ones at the bottom of this pile, so we need to get both these off before we can move either of these two, which is horrific. Wait, that's so bad. So we need to be able to move this. Yeah, so yeah, there's no way that's going. That's not working. I don't think they make winnable games. I think they make just games, which is fine. Like, you don't expect to be able to win every single one you approach. You solitaire. If as long as you know that's the case. Like this one. Jesus fuck. Okay, so I can't breach these two because that's too deep. These is technically well. Yeah, I mean by sheer number of cards it's possible, but it's not going to be easy, is it? I guess I can do the middle symbols actually. It should be okay. Except it's not going to be, is it? And where's the nearest state? The nearest state is like there or there. So that's not happening. This isn't moving. We don't need this to move though. What do we need to move? We need to move this to move. Okay. That's freed up a lot of things. So now we just need to move this 9 out and we can do stuff. So we want to get a thing free. But so many are covered right now. Oh, that's so bad. No. No. God, these blockers are so annoying. They're so bad. That one might have been winnable, but I was just not seeing how I could do it. Oh, this is the inverse problem. This is too many options now. Alright, we want to try and get the ones out. So, okay. Riddles are not really possible. Screens aren't possible. Red blockers aren't. Red blockers aren't. Stop. Red blockers aren't unearthable. Reasonably. It's not that bad. That's a mandatory move, essentially. Well, not mandatory, but close. I want 7 that actually leads to something interesting. So not this one, because this one doesn't go anywhere. That's dead end 7. When's the red 8 there? It's underneath here. Okay, so that's going to need to be... If I make the set of moves I'm thinking of making, just this, that's going to need to be put into here, so that's good to know now. So we can just do that, and then we can do this. Okay, cool. Awesome. Yeah. It's a damn shame that we needed to use one of these to make that happen, but it's good that we did manage to make something happen. This can go here. This can go on here. This can go on here. This can go on here. So we get that down. This can go on here. Not that that does anything. Really. Wow, that is beneath 2 different layers, and the 3 is not yet uncovered. We need this 9 specifically. Oh, this 9, I guess. I need to do this 9 then, because this can't move without it. Which means we need something clear. Which tells me we've got to move this to here. Okay, that was good. Oh shit. That's not good. Wait, that's really not good. That's so bad. Ah! Damn it, I've lost. Okay. Yeah, because this can't be sorted out now. Because these two are both green. And so this is hiding under it, so we can't actually unblock these. Unblock either of these, so we can't drag this into here. So yeah, we lost. Okay. Let's keep going. At least I knew that time. I knew like I hadn't restarted falsely. That was kind of nice to know that. Dunk, dunk. Okay, that feels weird. Probably I'm gonna want to do that at some point. So this has to move over to here. This can move over to here, and oh dear. This 4-3 can't go on there because that's not correct. This 3. Do this. I always felt such a stupid move. But it did feel a bit necessary. We can then do this, so that's pretty nice. Then we can do this. Then this is free. Then we can do this. Into this, and then this is basically free because immediately afterwards we're going to do this. Cool. I said this a lot for a little short period of time. This is not swapping, right? Yeah, okay, we're cyclical, so we're okay to do that. So one of the rules is that you have to have cyclical stacks like this. Otherwise you're not. Otherwise you're going to be able to be forced to stack things on the same color, which isn't great. Like right now, this 7 is unmovable from its position, which is okay because we don't care that much about moving it anyway. But the fact that it is kind of bad. So you know, just have that in you. Oh, for fuck's sake! So we need to be able to. We need to be able to get that. Oh my god. Are you dead ass right now? We've actually lost. Seriously? Wait, that sucks so badly. Like, this row is just screwing us. So what happens here is we take this off to get access to the middle. We need the other one here, which means we have this and these two are both blocked. We take this one off to get access to this middle. This one's blocked. And oh my god. That middle row is screwing us. We couldn't get rid of the greens because the other green was like up here in that row, in that nightmare row. It's like, oh my god. Jesus Christ. So apparently the mistake I was made was unlocking that nightmare sludge of things. Oh god. It's so bad. It's so bad. It's all the way up here for the other one. Not great. Not great. This one we've got to take off because this one's underneath, so we don't have a choice. So I don't have to feel bad about that. And then we do get to uncover that, so that's quite nice. If we uncover this, can this 3 go anywhere? No, because we moved this already. Okay, so if we move this and then this. Wait, that's the same color. I'm so stupid. Oh no, we can do this, of course. We can swap colors, it's fine. And we can press this button. Yay! Our nightmare fuel is over. Woo! God, that was bad. Okay, then we can get this, so we can move any free 9 over to there. We don't have any, but you know, when we get one, we can move it over. It's really exciting. So we want a 3, 5. We need to do this anyway. So that's fine. So that we have this 9 now. So this can go here. This can go here. So we might be able to get the middle symbols available. Nope. Can we get those ones available? It's gonna not be particularly easy, but it's not technically impossible. This goes to here, this goes to here, this goes to here. We need another 5. The other 5's here. We can reach it. But it's going to be risky. This 5 goes over to here. Why did we need that 5? Now we need a 7. There's the last 7. So we've lost. Right? Maybe not. Oh, maybe not. Actually, no, we have, because we can't breach into any of these. Oh, actually, oh no, that's not going to do anything, is it? Damn it. I felt I was really close on that one. That one felt good. Ah! This minigame is a nightmare. This 9 is going to be impossible to get off there, really. This one doesn't look possible. This one doesn't look remotely possible. Yeah, for a start, this needs to go up here at some point in order to get access to that. This needs to go somewhere in order to get access to this, and we need to get clear through the entirety of this. And also, there are actually, unironically, no starting moves we can make. And if we go one deeper, there's only like a few starting moves we can make. That is a horrible base. I don't even want to try and see if that's possible. That felt so impossible to do. Okay, so this, so we want to, yeah, I guess definitely want to. Do we actually care that much? Yeah, I mean, I guess we do actually care that. What the fuck is this? Wait, we might be able to get these all off the board really quickly. Really, really quickly. So we need an 8. Where is an 8? There's an 8. Why are you there? Why do you have to be there? Okay, so we need a 6. There isn't this 6. The 6 can go here, so this 6 can go here. Now we need a 5. That isn't this 5. Both our 8s are here. Fucking hell. Where's our other 8? It's all the way up here. That's what we need that for. Why do we need it? We need to move this. Do we just... And... then we don't do anything because now it is impossible. Because we need this to be here. And this can't move out without this being... Oh, that one felt showed. It's red though. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be jank. This can't be moved. Is the thing. No, it's not gonna work. I felt that was so close. No one felt good. But it fell down. I really want to win one before I come off, like. Well, not that 9. This 9, perhaps. Okay. Why did I do that? That was a pointless action. Oh god, okay, this can go on here, and then this can go on here, and... No. To expand our pool of actionable objects. All our 3s are locked behind shit, so it's going to be awkward. Want the other 2 set? Oh no, we got this. We can do this. So this is going to be very awkward, but this might be okay. Leave this 5 out. A 7. We don't have access to 7s right now. What happens is all this is this and this go up. Which is bad. Why did they even need to do that? I've forgotten why I was trying to do that. I was trying to uncover this, wasn't I? Yeah. That's not going to happen because this 9 is over here and that's the only way this moves. Unless it goes up like this, which is disgusting and I really hate the action. I think it's the only one I can take. Yeah, no, it's not going to work. Man, maybe I shouldn't have tried playing a game that I find really hard while my brain is off due to tiredness. Maybe that was a net foolish action. So we need a 6. There's that one. And that is a 6 in a pretty shitty situation. Where's the other 6? So we've got this one, where's the other one? That one's not much in a better situation, is it? Because then we need a 5 for this, which is like here or here. Yeah, okay. So it's the 6, I guess. 6. We have that 2. I can go here, and we can press that button. That was okay. Oh, right, yeah, because that's... I... Brain... Dead. Brain not functioning. We need 9s before we can do anything with this. That's a combo. Okay, so once we get this... Oh, we have a 9. Okay, yeah, okay. So we have a 9 free. Okay, so we can potentially do something with this. If we do like that, we can get one of these 2 9s free. What do we want to do right now? It looks like we want to try and get these greens away. That looks imminently possible right now. All the 8s are available, so putting a 7 doesn't harm me in any way, shape or form. That's as far as that's going to go. So we want this to be able to go somewhere, which means we want a 5 akin to this one. Actually, we can do this. We can do this, and then we can do... Oh, that's not the right one. This. Okay, brilliant. And now what? Good question. This can go here, this can go here. So that's 3 now. This 2 can't go. Where did the 2 go? Wow, I didn't see that. Now I can press this button. Oh, this is looking good. I was ready to cool it here. Okay. Do this and onto here. Okay. There's all the blockers. Now we just need to arrange it so that everything's free. Ah! It happened! Oh my goodness. Wow, 10 of them. I have to do 10 of them. What do you mean? What do you mean? God, those are not easy. Alright, my brain is melted. That's gonna be it. Wow, this is a really fun game, but god damn, it like, ugh, it tests me. This tests me. Oh my god, I can't play this game, dude. I'm so bad at. I'm actually bad at the original version as well. Because like I'm good when a problem can be broken down, and yeah. So I'm good with puzzles which you can break down and solve one section at a time. You can't do that with solitaire. You've got to be big picture. You've got to be, what's the whole thing doing, you know? What's the whole board state look like? What moves am I limiting by? Because the thing that you might have spotted it while I was playing it, if you're experienced with that game, or you just happen to be really good at puzzle games. I kept like crashing into a wall of like just trying to do the blockers when there was like no reason to, or doing the blockers would actually like cause me problems, because I know I need to do that on the step. So I'm like, okay, we're gonna just do that, even when it's stupid. So that was really fucking awkward. Ugh, it's such a good game though. I'm having so much fun with it. It's fun to watch. It's probably not, to be honest. Probably just me sitting here programming, but like, I don't know. I feel like it's not bad. Maybe I'm wrong. Alright. See ya.